the door open, and I'm looking around, and then I hear something slide across the floor, and a set of keys hits me in the foot. And I pick it up, and it's a Ford key with a little Cobra emblem on it. And then I see my dad and mom standing there smiling. Ugh. Welcome back to Whiskey Dents. Today we're going to be working on this 62 Ford. We're going to see if we can't make this paint look a little bit better. She's a little rough. I honestly don't know the last time this thing's been washed. I would guess that it's probably been at least minimum 2-3 weeks, maybe 20 years. I guess I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna use a little soap and water. I'm gonna scrub on it, and then we'll probably get some wax out and the buffer and see what happens. Wish me luck. You can already see that just scrubbing on it a little bit. Oh, that's nice. It's taking a lot of that dirt, years of buildup. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Look at it. Man, that's nice. Anyways, enough screwing around. She's already looking better. So I remember one time, I'm on this job site working, and this old man comes up to me, and he says, if you woke up with a condom sticking out of your butt, and he's all whispering, he's like, would you tell anybody? I'm like, no way. And he's like, well, do you want to go camping? Oh, terrible. Terrible. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, I'm going to put you back on the time lapse. It is way too hot to be out there scrubbing on that hood. I do it for the fans. You're welcome. Okay, we got it all scrubbed up. We're just going to let this dry. And then we're going to fumble through the instructions of this Meguiar Ultimate Wax. It was on sale at L&M Fleet about 10 years ago. Anyways, we'll get this all buffed out. Looking good. We'll be right back. Okay, hopefully you can hear me over this buffer. Anyways, I'm going to apply some. Way too much. Great. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. So you're going to start in a small area. Apparently you're not supposed to let this stuff dry. But I got a feeling I'm working in the sun and it's going to dry. Anyways, so how did I fall in love with classic cars? It was sometime in the 80s. My parents used to own a bar in northern Minnesota, and they had a customer come in, and he had a 70 or a 71 Chevelle. It was red with black racing stripes and a blue plush carpet interior and fuzzy dice and a 4-speed. And he gave me a ride in it, and I've never forgotten that car. It's just burned into my brain. I absolutely love it, and I've been hooked ever since. I kind of took a little bit of a break for a while there, but then hanging out with my brother Dave from Classic Car Revival, he kind of sparked it again. You know, he's got all these Lincolns and Fords and, you know, any and everything you can think of, he's got one. And I don't know, it just lit a fire in me again. And I can't get enough of these old classics, so I started working on them. I figured, you know, why not? It's fun, gives me something to do. And now I'm going to record myself doing it. So hopefully I can do this for a living. Not hopefully, I'm going to do this for a living eventually. But, all right, I'm going to turn this buffer on. It's probably going to be pretty annoying. So actually what I'm going to do is just put you on time lapse. And then we'll come back when I wipe it off. Maybe if I put about 10 coats of wax on there, it might start to shine, but I don't see it happening. I'm not a paint and body guy. I just thought I'd give it a shot, see if it helped, and it didn't, but oh well, lesson learned. So here's the reveal. Does it look better? Absolutely. Was it worth it? Nope. I mean, yes, it does look cleaner. It's still got like a dull fade to it. I'm sure if I got more wax or maybe some linseed oil or something, threw it on there, she'd probably really pop. But for what we're working with right now, I mean, yeah, it does look better. But not enough to spend a whole day trying to clean and wax it. Just leave all that moss on there. That's character. Just for giggles. I'm gonna try putting this on this side. I'm gonna clean off a spot and then put a little on here. It's not even for metal, it's for wood. But who knows? We'll give it a shot, see what it looks like. Why not? Okay, I washed off a decent portion. I'll let that dry for a minute. And I'm going to grab another rag to apply that stuff. If you can see this line, that's just washed with a little bit of soap and water. And then this is the stuff we put the wax on. You can see a definite line. I mean, it did something. It may protect it. I don't know. Anyways, this is gonna dry. I'll be right back. So after fighting with that can, I can't get it open. But I will get it open. Like I said, I'll get it open. Hopefully this isn't super flammable, because I don't know how old this crap is. Smells like shop class, about 1993. Mr. Norgard, are you still alive? Oh, that looks good. Smells even better. Might as well put a little extra on there. Well, that looks pretty good. I think it looks better than that side. Anyways. So yeah, I'm 16 years old, and me and my dad are out working, and I see this old 66 Ford sitting on the side of the road for $500, and I was like, man, I'd love to have that. And about a week later, I'm at my other job, and I hear the door open, and I'm looking around, and then I hear something slide across the floor, and a set of keys hits me in the foot. And I pick it up, and it's a Ford key with a little Cobra emblem on it. And then I see my dad and mom standing there smiling. Ugh. That was awesome. Well, if we're being completely honest, I think that oil finish stuff looks a lot better than that wax. I mean, that's actually pops. It looks orange again. This, I don't know, looks like an old orange that was under the couch for about 10 years. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. So what did we learn today? We learned that wax is a lot more labor intensive, and it didn't do as good of a job as the old oil did. Night and day difference. It looks so much better. I'm actually impressed with the old oil. I know that you can get like linseed oil, and there's a bunch of other ones. Vice Grip Garage has some new one now. I can't think of what it's called. But anyways, if you're looking to try to restore some paint, you know, throw it on there. It ain't gonna hurt. It's a lot cheaper than a paint job. That's gonna conclude this week's episode. Sunday, I'm going to be cutting the cab corners off of that box so that it'll sit on top of the Crown Vic suspension. And hopefully I can start on that front cab mount. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really, really appreciate it. And don't forget to check out Classic Car Revival as well. My brother is working on, this week will be a 54 Ford F350. It's going to be awesome. So thanks again. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Anybody see my eyebrows? Those fall out too? Son of a... Bye. Bye. Look at that difference. Looks good. You know, back in the old days when something broke, they used what they had to fix it. Yeah. Apparently they had some lumber.
Right in the box?
Yep.